Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. I hope everybody's doing fine today. I wanted to share to you a project that I'm gonna make for a friend, and I'm gonna make a Christmas hat, and she requested me to make one for her. So the materials I'm gonna show you only the materials that I am going to use for the Christmas hat that I want to make. But first of all, this is the hat that I will be using. I got this from the Dollar Tree during the 4th of July, and this is a hat that is color blue, and I already spray painted it with white. So this is the main thing. This is what I'm going to use for the Christmas hat, okay? And the materials I'm going to use for this one are some of the trimmings here. I can use that one, possible trimmings for that. And then some garland trimmings too as well. And then I wanted to make a village out of it, and we'll see from there. And this is the fence from my old stash. I can also use this one, the church wood. I bought this in the Dollar General. I could use that. I could use also this material and some ribbons from my stash. I can use also this red truck as part of the hat, and some mini Christmas trees. And then I also have some flowers here, and this one I could also use for the hat, you know, possibly for the hat. I also have this you know, branches that I could use for it, and of course a wire garland ties. I could use that also, and some branches also in silver and in red. I could use also that one. And I have a couple of Christmas tree that I could use for that hat as well as a decor there. And also this ribbon, I could also use that. And I could also use this white branch and this reindeer. I could use that also. And another reindeer that I could also use. And I also, here I have some ribbons. I bought this in the Dollar General. So all of these items I bought in the Dollar Tree and in the Dollar General in advance. And I also bought this one. This is a pencil, a pen. With this one, what I intend to do with this one is, this is my hat, and maybe I can I can take this off and, you know, put it around the hat, so there's a little bell on it. So I will see. So I bought, you know, 10 pieces of this because I don't know how much will I be needing, but definitely I'll be using this. And also this one, a cloth, a drape for the snow. So all of these things here is a possibility for making my Christmas hat. And I will just be showing you how I made it. So stay tuned, and I will show you in a little while. Hi, I'm back. I will be showing you piece by piece. Well, I decided to show you at least a little piece by piece on how I did my Christmas hat. So what I did is, this is the hat, and I glued the drape, the cloth drape. And what I'm gonna do, just to give you an idea, is I'm gonna put this one here, the tree over here. I don't know if you can see it, but you're not gonna see it way, but I will try to show you. And then I'm gonna put my little house over here. That's the house, it's gonna be there. And my truck is gonna be here. And I have a small truck on my stash there. And I have a snowman, and I just stick the snowman here. This one I bought from Hobby Lobby last year, so, and now I'm gonna put that there. You're not gonna see it, but, and then I also bought this one from last year, and I'm gonna put it there. And what I intend to do is I'm gonna trim around this one over there and make another one, trim over here. Look, these are the garlands that I used, and then I have this garland trims, and I just wrap it around and wrap it around this way, and then I'm gonna adhere it over there. So that's one idea. And I made my snowman. I made my reindeer. I have this dress up button, and I just place it there, and I put a little green garland over there and a bell, and I use a rope, and I'm gonna adhere that there over here. And then these little pieces of this one, I'm gonna scatter it around here, scattered it around there, so that you could see. Let me try to get my there. So that's how it's gonna be. Okay, let's just you can see it from there. So that's how it's gonna look like in front. This is the front of my hat, and there I'm gonna wrap that around there. Okay, let's just turn this off so that you won't be blind there. And that's how it's gonna be. And then this one, I'm gonna put this reindeer on the side, that reindeer on the side over there, and put this one around my hat.
A few moments later.
What I'm gonna do is I already stick on this garland over here at the hat, and then I am thinking of putting also this garland over there, and then of course I'm gonna stick this last after I'm done with all the garlands and everything. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna put that tree over there, and my truck over here, there, and my little moose over there. Okay, and then once I've done that, I'm gonna put the trimmings last over here all around, and my reindeer is gonna be here on the side. And I wanted to put this trimming like this way, just sort of like hang it that way, and put some flowers that way, you know, all around, and the trimming shall go under here, all around those. So when the recipient wears the hat, it's gonna flow from above. I mean, this belt is gonna flow like this. See, it's gonna hang like that way. So that's my idea. So I hope you maybe in a little while I can show you the finished product, and then do a little bit of adjustments. Okay. Hi everyone. Here is the completed DIY Christmas hat that I made. So that's the hat. As I said, there's the trimmings of the hat there. And then when you go at the back, there is it. It might get a hole there. I'll just move the glass there. That's the back of the hat there. I just put it on a glass so it will so that's the side of the hat. This is the side, and that's the back. Okay, actually it's like a cake. It looks like a cake, but it's pretty. It's beautiful. See, and let me just show you around first before I'm give you a closer look on the details of the hat. Okay, I just don't want this to drop. Okay, so that's the trimmings at the bottom of the hat, so that when the recipient wears it, there's a dangling bells over there. So I placed the ribbon, and there's my little snow village, and I scattered some flakes of snow on the top there, and also here, there. You can see that there. And sorry for the background. My work area is such a mess. Okay, so there, and this is my this is the side of the hat there, the side view of the hat, and here's the back of the hat. There's the back. Yeah, there's the back of the hat. Simple. I could place something here, but that's okay. That's too much. Too much is not too good. There. Again, sorry for the mess and the background. But I just have a small space in my house for my craft area. But I enjoyed working on this room. And that's part of it's like a cake, really. And there you go. In the front again. Okay. So hope you like my creation, guys. Okay, my DIY Dollar Tree and Dollar General Christmas hat. So hope everybody likes what I created. Thanks for watching, and until my next project, I'll see you again. Stay safe and have a good day. Bye.